Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to share to you a tutorial on how to remove cache on Google Docs. So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, open your Google Docs on your phone. Okay, here I've already opened my Google Docs, and then you need to click on the three lines icon at the top left and then click on settings. Okay, scroll down until you found this option, clear cache. Click on it and then click OK. Okay, so just like that, your documents cache on Google Docs has been clear. It is so easy, so I think that is how you can remove the cache on Google Docs. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.